9 videos ago, we started with a single typed component. Today we're putting everything together: typed props, custom hooks, a typed reducer, safe context, and a real API call into one actual app. A to-do list with add, edit, delete, and toggle complete, fully typed from the API all the way to the screen. If you've followed this series, this is the video where all of it clicks into place. Let's build it. 1. What we're building. Here's the app we're building. A to-do list that loads from an API, lets you add a new task, edit one inline, mark it complete, and delete it, with every single piece of state fully typed, and zero anywhere in the codebase. Let's start from the data model and build outward. 2. Project setup. npm create Vite at latest, to-do app, ---- template React.ts, cd to-do app, and npm install, and npm run dev. Same Vite plus React plus TypeScript setup from video 1. If any of this is new to you, that's the video to start with, linked below. Let's get straight into the data model. 3. Typing the data model. Interface Todo, ID string, title string, completed boolean, created at string. Everything in this app flows from this one interface. The API response, the reducer state, every component's props. Get this shape right, and TypeScript carries it through the entire app for you. 4. Fetching Todos with useFetch t. Function Todo app useFetch th Todo. App t API Todos. If state status is loading, return spinner. If state status is error, return p. st8t message. Return Todo provider initial Todos as state data, Todo list. This is the exact same useFetch t from video 7. No changes needed. We fetch the initial list, and once it's loaded, hand it off to a Todo provider that will manage all the add, edit, delete logic from here on. 5. The reducer, add, toggle, edit, delete. Step 1. Actions as a discriminated union type. Todo action equals add, title string, y, title string. Todo type, ID, title string, add, edit, title string. Step 2. The typed reducer function. Function Todo reducer. State, Todo action. Switch action type. Add, return $state, ID crypto random UUID, title, completed false, created at new date.toisoiging. Todo toggle. Return state.map.t.tid.title.completed, ast, completed at capital.completed. Return state.map.t.tid.title.title. ast, case action delete toggle. Filter t.tid.action.id. Default, exhaustive-check never, is action. Same never trick from video 8, right at the bottom. If we ever add a new action and forget its case here, this won't compile. That safety net comes for free, just by following the pattern. 6. Context plus provider, wiring it up safely. 10 to 12:30. Const Todo context equals create context. Todos, dispatch, React dispatch, Todo action. Or undefined. Undefined. Function Todo provider, children initial Todos, comma, React node. Initial Todos, Todo action. Const Todos dispatch equals use reducer, Todo reducer, initial Todos. Return Todo context provider value Todos, dispatch, use a children. Function use Todos. Const TTX, context Todo context. If not TTX, throw new error. Use Todos must be used within a Todo provider. Return TTX. No fake default values. No unsafe casts. This is the exact honest-undefined-plus-custom-hook pattern from video 9. Any component in the tree can now call use Todos and get a fully typed Todos array and dispatch function. 7. TodoForm. Typed inputs and events. Function TodoForm. Const dispatch equals use Todos. Const title, set title equals state. Function handle submit. React form event, HTML form element. Prevent default. If not title trim, return. Dispatch type add title, set title 0. Return. Form on submit handle submit. Input value title, on change, React change event HTML input element to set title target value. Placeholder add a task. Add button. Form. React form event and React change event. Same DOM event typing from video 4. Plug straight into this reducer's dispatch. Notice we never had to write a single type assertion to connect a form submit to a typed action. 8. TodoItem. Props, optional callbacks, and children. Interface TodoItem props. Todo, on toggle Todo, void. On delete, ID Todo, void. On edit, ID title string HM void. Optional. TodoItem. Todo on toggle, on delete, on edit, TodoItem props. Return. LI input type checkbox checked to Todo completed. On changeaway toggle Todo ID. Add, title, add span, button. On click on delete Todo ID, delete button. This is the same interface per component pattern from video 1, and the optional prop pattern from video 2. On edit is optional, because maybe not every list needs inline editing. Everything you've learned across this series is one small, focused decision, reused here at full scale. 11. Putting it all together. App.tsx. Function TodoList. Const todos dispatch equals use todos. Return. All todos map to Todo equals ID Todo. On toggle ID to dispatch type TodoID. On delete to dispatch type delete ID. Todos. Return app.toggle. And that's the whole app. Todo list reads from use todos, dispatches typed actions, and every prop passed to TodoItem is checked at compile time. Let's run it. 12. Recap. So that's the series. Typed props and components, union and discriminated union types, typed events and refs, a generic fetch wrapper, custom hooks, a typed reducer with exhaustive action checking, and a safe context pattern, all combined into one real working app. If you've made it this far, genuinely, nice work. Drop a comment with what you're building next with this. I'd love to see it. And if you want more like this, subscribe. There's a lot more coming.